When we were trying to study FENIX, we were very amazed like this material, is non-reflective. So we started thinking about how can we come up with a design to show off this very quality of the material. So we try to challenge the norms. We start on a blank canvas. We try to transform the challenges and the status quo into something else. We try to see opportunities by making it better, but we happen to use the medium of light to do that. So we wanted panels that can flip in all directions. So we started thinking of building blocks so that people can interact with it. And then they can see that, light just mysteriously pass through it without actually getting that very uncontrolled reflections. We selected different colors of the FENIX materials so that when people start to flip it, they can see like different colors being brought out of it. Personally, I hope that we can make a change to bring greater awareness, because currently lighting is very underappreciated. Because if people start to care about the quality of water they drink, quality of air they breathe, then it's really important to understand the light that is falling on us, how it affects our visual environment, and also how we feel.